Hello student, myself Kirti Patil. I am lecturer in SR Patil Junior College, Physics Department, Akola. Students, in last lecture of this fifth lesson, we have to studied about Kepler's laws of motion and universal law of gravitation. Now here, today we have to start next topic, that is acceleration due to gravity. Here we have to discuss, that is acceleration due to gravity. That topic is given on page number 85 in your textbook. That topic is given on page number 85. Derive the expression for the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So students, you know that the earth is an extended object and can be assumed to be uniform shape if the mass of the earth is capital M and small m is the point object. Small r is the distance between the earth and that object. Then the force of attraction between them is given by F is equals to G into mm upon r square. This is universal law of gravitation. है ना? Suppose this is small m and this one is capital M, that is mass of earth, and the distance between them is small r. Then we have to getting that equation, that is F is directly proportional to product of mass of these two objects and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Therefore, we have getting that force is equals to G into mm upon r square. We have seen that expression in last period. If the point object is not acted upon by any other force, then according to Newton's second law of motion, we have to know that F is equals to mass into acceleration. This one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Then by equating these two equations, we have to getting here ma is equals to gmm upon r square. Then in both equations, m getting cancelled and acceleration due to gravity A is equals to gm upon r square. This one equation is remaining here. And this acceleration due to gravity of the earth can be denoted by small g. That is, a small g is equals to gm upon r square. This is denoted by g. If the object is close to the surface of the earth, then r is equals to r. And suppose this is the earth and this object is near the or close to the earth surface. This one is the radius of earth. Then we can say, and this one is the object. This is small m. This one is the mass of the earth, capital M, and distance between them is r. That means radius of earth. Then we can say that capital R is equals to small r, because that object is on the earth surface or near the earth surface. That's why here you have given r is nearly equal to capital R. Then we can say that g earth surface is equals to gm upon r square. Here we can also say that this is the relation between small g and capital G. This one is the relation between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant, small g and capital G. Then next, here we have to discuss that as we go from one planet to another planet, how will the mass and weight of body change? As we go from one planet to another, mass of a body remains unaffected. Why it can be? है ना? However, due to change in mass and radius of planet, acceleration due to gravity acting on the body changes as g is directly proportional to m upon r square. Hence, weight of body also changes as w is directly proportional to m upon r square. That's why here we can say that as we go from one planet to another, mass of body remains unaffected. है ना? Then next topic is here we have to discuss one example is that calculate the mass of the earth from given data. That is acceleration due to gravity is given. Small g is equals to 9.81 meter per second square. Radius of earth is given here and capital G is also given here. Then by using that given data, we have to find out mass of the earth. And you have to find out here says that calculate the mass of the earth. Then formula is that G is equals to Gm upon R square. And we have to taking here mass of earth. That's why here write down small e also. Then by using this formula, we have to arrange this formula for capital M because we have to find out the mass of the earth. That's why ME is equals to GR square, that R is at denominator, so goes on here numerator, that is GR square upon G. And by putting that values in this equation, we have to getting that mass of the earth, that is 5.967 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Then next example is that calculate the value of universal gravitational constant from the given data. And here you have to find out the value of capital G. Mass of earth is given here, radius of earth also given, and acceleration due to gravity is also 9.8 is given here. By using that given data, we have to calculate here gravitational constant. Again, same formula is used, that is G is equals to Gm upon R square. Arrange this formula for capital G, that is G is equals to GR square upon M. And by putting that values, we have to find out that value of capital G is equals to 6.69 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Then next example is that calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars if the radius of Mars is equal to 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilometer and its mass is 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 23 kg. Here we have to find out acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars. I know. Then you have to given capital M, capital R. Okay. Again formula is same, that is G is equals to Gm upon R square. I know. You have to given here radius of Mars and mass of Mars. So formula is again same, that is G is equals to Gm upon R square. That is Gm is equals to, that put that value directly, and by using calculation we have to find out that value. Gm is equals to 3.6 into 3.693 into 3.693 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars. Then next example is that find the acceleration due to gravity on a planet that is 10 times as massive as the Earth and with radius 20 times of the radius of Earth. Here you have to given acceleration due to gravity on surface of Earth, that is g is equals to 9.8 into 9.8 meter per second square. Planet that here mass of planet 10 into mass of Earth, because you have to given that acceleration due to gravity on planet is 10 times massive as the Earth. That's why here we have to multiply by 10 of mass of Earth, that is 10 me, and radius is 20 times of the radius of Earth. That's why 20 into radius of Earth, and g is 9.8 meter per second square. Here we have to find out acceleration due to gravity on a planet. Then g is equals to gm upon r square. Therefore, we have to use here formula g is equals to gm upon re, gme upon re, and gp is equals to gmp upon rp square. Then gp is equals to g of 10 times me, by using these values, above these values, these two equations, we have to put that value. gp is equals to gmp upon rp square is equals to g, that is 10 times of me, and rp is 20 times of re, that is 10 of gme upon 400 of r square e, that is 1 by 40. G is equals to 1 by 40 multiply by 9.8. If you have to calculate that equation, you are getting, that is gp is equals to 0.245 meter per second square. Then next example, a body weighs 5.6 kg weight on the surface of Earth. How much will be its weight on a planet whose mass is 1 by 7th mass of the Earth and radius twice that of Earth's radius? Given data is that we, that is 5.6 kg weight, एखाद्या बॉडीचं अर्थ सरफेसवरचं वेट दिलेलं आहे हे. देन mp upon me is equals to how much will be its weight on the planet whose mass is 1 by 7th mass of Earth. म्हणजे mp upon me is equals to 1 by 7 and rp upon re is equals to 2. Here radius is twice that of Earth's radius म्हटलेलं आहे. That's why we have to find out here weight of the body on the surface of planet. That is weight is equals to mg, and here g is small g is gm upon r square and multiply by with that m, and this is the formula for force also. From formula we have to find out here wp upon we is equals to mp upon me multiply by r square e upon r square p. Then wp upon 5.6, that is weight on the body on the earth surface, that is 5.6 multiply by mp upon me is 1 by 7 and re upon rp is 1 by 2 square. When you have to solve this equation, you are getting 1 by 28. That is wp is equals to 1 by 28 into 5.6, that is 0.2 kg weight. That is the weight of the body on the surface of planet. That examples, all examples depends on the topic acceleration due to gravity, and that given in your textbook as at last page, that is the unsolved example from your textbook. Thank you.